Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to add funds to your Auctionity account and then bid on an auction on the Auctionity private network. Here we want to bid on this auction. We're going to enter a higher amount than the current price and then click bid. Here we're going to use MetaMask. Next, you'll have to select the address you would like to use. Here we have already made a deposit in the past, so Auctionity is offering us the option to use the same address for convenience. However, you will need to add an address if you haven't made a deposit yet. Once you have done that, choose the amount of Ether you want to add to your Auctionity account. We advise you to deposit a higher amount than what you're going to need for just one bid, as you might not win the auction with only one bid. Another reason to do so is that you're going to pay the same gas price no matter the amount of your deposit. Select the gas price you're willing to pay, then click Sign with MetaMask. This will prompt the MetaMask confirmation window. Review your transaction, then click Submit. Your Ether is now being transferred to the Auctionity network. The amount of time for your transaction to be validated on the Ethereum blockchain is approximately 2 minutes, which means that if you want some flexibility when bidding, you should allow some reserve. To check the current gas price on the Ethereum network, visit ethereumgasstation.info. Your Ether is now deposited on the Auctionity network, and you need to connect to the network in order to be able to bid. Go to your MetaMask wallet, select Custom RPC, type in https://test.auctionity.network, then click Save. Sign your transaction with MetaMask. You will notice the amount of Ether announced by MetaMask on the Auctionity network is always 0, but the bidding amount is indeed taken from your deposit. Click Submit. Congratulations, your bid just went through and is now recorded on the Auctionity blockchain. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or remarks, just reach out to us on our Telegram channel, as your feedback is very important to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon!